Alright, welcome to today's workout. So throwing in another bodyweight one this week just to end the week. We would have normally done a 300 on Friday, but yesterday the day before was a big ruck day. I was out for 2 hours with the pack on, and therefore I decided to do the 300 instead on the Wednesday, keeping it on the bike and just going for 300 calories. You'll see in the write-up if you're inside the group that we did it a little bit differently. We didn't necessarily go 300 calories. We simply went for 30 minutes and changed pace throughout every 10 minutes, putting us in a position where we had to chase the 300 calories in the last 10 minutes to try to get the workout complete. And therefore that's just more of a mental, it's more of a barrier, a goal, knowing full well in the first 10 minutes I wasn't going to hit 100, in the second 10 minutes I wasn't going to hit the 200, and therefore the third lot of 10 minutes we really had to motor to get the 300 chased down. So today's body weight again, you've got two different options. I chose the second option. So option one, it is 30 seconds on, 30 seconds off. And we're not looking for you to set a specific number of reps. I'm just after you to do the motions, do the movement, get through as many reps as you can that are correct, and therefore then rest in the 30-second break that follows. From there on, you're going to simply move through the movements. Where we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, we've only got 7 of them, so you're going to end up getting through these at least 4 times. The alternate option, what I chose to do instead, was a round of 10 or 15 of each of the movements, followed by a 200-meter run on the treadmill, just simply because today I was out also ruck again today, another hour and a bit. Obviously we're building to an event that's going to happen later on in the year that's going to require us to carry a heavy gear pack for anywhere from whenever they boot you out to maybe 50, 60 hours. So hence the reason why we're doing a lot of that at the moment, just building up and getting used to it. So I chose option 2, which was 10 or 15 reps of each of the movements, followed by a hop on the treadmill and a 200-meter run. And we simply kept that at 10k an hour. That's it, nothing stupid. And then after each round of all the movements, then we went back again and we simply increased the rate from 10 to 12, and we threw in a couple of sort of, let's call it sprintish type ones. We were sitting at 14 or 16 to get the 200 done quickly, but obviously that required a lot more rest period. So movements in order. First one is push to gorilla. So on the floor, push up position, push up to gorilla, and back down. That is the push to gorilla movement. Okay, movement number 2, polar bear. From here, up into A-frame, hands down, tuck the head in, down, up. Okay, so it's like a pike type push-up, but, excuse me, feet are kept on the ground. Movement 3, Xplodes. You might call them a squat jump, but just simply we're driving our hips up to get maximum height and coming back down. Movement 4, a scorpion switch. So starting on all fours. So from here, we're going to switch through here, hand up, and over, scorpion switch. Oh, sorry, crab reach, crab reach, here, and back to center. So 1 rep is 1 per side. Reverse Hindus, feet wide, coming out to the plank, starting here, come forward, drop, push back, 45 degrees, finish. So finish, and like you've got your downward dog. Reverse Hindus. Sumo scissor, simply the shuttle jump. So from here, down, scissor, scissor, down, scissor, scissor, down. That's it. And then reverse caterpillar, hands on the floor, feet together, step back, walk up, step back, walk up. Okay, now I've done all this inside this space. So I've got 5 meter space. So simply you're going to go for, nominate it, 10 reps, 15 reps if you're familiar with these movements. Get them done onto the treadmill. Or option 2, slow it down a little tiny bit. 30 seconds of the movement, set the time in a beep, 30 seconds of rest, recover, go. And if you're going to do the 30 on, 30 off, again, you're looking at 1, 2, 3, 4, 7 minutes. Okay, with rest in between that, so working for 3.5, you're going to go through that 4 times. If you do the other option of the 200-meter run, along with this, you're going to get through it 1.5-ish times, allowing for recovery depending on how long you're on. That's it, workout for Friday. Guys, enjoy, it's a sweaty one. Peace.